Welcome to Tanford installation team. Right now we are in Jalingo, the capital city of Taraba State. So here, this is the installation of 95 kWh lithium and 40 kVA inverter. The installation is, the panels are mounted on the roof. We have 78 pieces of 600 watts panel, giving us 46.8 kilowatt of solar energy. So the installation is done in such a way that each string carry 13 pieces of PV. So the string is connected to PV combiner box. So we have 3 pieces of PV combiner box at 192 volt each. So on each PV combiner, we have 2 strings of PV energy coming to the combiner box. Then each combiner box is connected to MPPT charge controller. This is at 92 volts. 92 volt each. So the MPPT combiner box, the MPPT controller is connected to the lithium battery. These are 95 kilowatt hour lithium battery. Each string of the MPPT controller is coming to the lithium battery. So as you can see, we have 3 strings, we have 3 pieces of combiner box, and the controller here is used as a summer that sum up the individual energy coming down from the charge controller. So the lithium battery is connected in series, and the total energy is added to 95 kilowatt hour. So the output, the further output, is connected to the 40 kVA inverter system. So there's something you need to understand about the installation. The lithium battery is designed at 192. The inverter also is designed at 192 volt. Thank you. Right. So this is our changeover system. This changes between the grid and the inverter. So this one can select either grid or inverter, and the output of this changeover is coming to this changeover. So this changeover changes between generator or grid or inverter. So this input is generator, is utility supply and inverter, whereas the other terminal is generator. So you can change between utility power, that's utility energy, inverter energy, or generator. We have 3 options or 3 sources of energy generation, all designed efficiently to serve our customers. So Tanford is here to give you the best out of solar energy system. So any design, whatever the size of your energy requirement, we can give you free design supervision, give you a very wonderful and successful installation to meet your energy demand and requirement. Thank you.